Well, I was just overlooking the St George's Tower, which is being constructed on the edge of the River Thames, and just suddenly caught a flash, and then saw the helicopter just plunge straight to the ground, and then it exploded, and of course you can imagine the smoke that came out of it.
Paul, this is an area of London that's quite used to helicopters. It's not far from Battersea Heliport, is it?
Well, I imagine, but I'm only speculating, like your previous chap on that it was probably heading to the heliport, and this tower, which is one of the tallest residential towers built in London, was in its path, and I presume that in this misty morning, either the lights weren't on or it didn't see the lights, and it clipped the edge of the crane, which is now dangling down the side of the building, and that caused it to lose control and head to the ground.
Did you see which part of the helicopter clipped the crane?
One of the feet things, I think, that clipped it.
And what you saw after that, the helicopter just fell to the ground and then exploded?
Then it completely exploded, and as the previous chap was saying, it fell on the Wandsworth Road, which is very close to the mainline commuter train going into Waterloo. But the trains, as far as I can still see, are still running. But there's mayhem now with traffic all being... the services got here very, very quickly, I must say, and have been dealing with it since.
Well, we were talking about the rush-hour period of the morning. We're talking about a very busy part of London. Did you see any indication that someone might have been hurt on the ground?
Did I see any what? Sorry?
Was there any sign that anybody may have been hurt on the ground?
I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, fortunately, it didn't seem to have hit. There's a very big Sainsbury's, and of course there are a lot of residential and a lot of businesses around this area, and quite a few tall buildings. But it managed to avoid, I think, most of those. But again, you'll probably find that in due course.